All right, so here I am making a carnation. I just did the slip knot, and I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to slip stitch them together, chain 3, and now I'm going to do 15 doubles. Excuse my voice today. Six, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I'm going to slip stitch to the chain 3 space, and I'm going to chain 3. I'm going to get some more yarn out here. It's rolling from the outer edge, so it keeps trying to tie up, so I have it going around my pole down here at the end of my table. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to do 2 doubles in each. So that's 2 in that same stitch. So each stitch around, I'm going to do 2 doubles. So it is expanding this circle. So I'm going to keep going around this row, and I'll be right back. All right, I am approaching the end. So I'm going to do the 2 doubles here. I'm going to slip stitch. This is cotton yarn that I got from my sister, and I do not remember the name brand of it. So I'm going to chain 3, put a double in the first one where that one's at, and now I'm going to do 2 doubles around again. And so let me do this other one real quick. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we're going to do it through rows 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'll be back. So here you have 1, 2, 3. See how it's ruffling up? You want that for the carnation. So here I have some carnations that I've started. I have not finished them, but this is a start. And this is for a spring project that I'm working on. And this way you have like purple and white carnations. Now I'm doing a pink carnation. Then I also have a yellow rose. So I'm going to do some more roses. And I'm thinking a couple other flowers. So I just wanted to show those off real quick. Thanks. All right, so here I am on the last row of the carnation. So I'm going to chain 1 and then single crochet. Now I'm going to chain 3 and single crochet in that very next one. Chain 3 and single, chain 3 and single. And then here in a little bit I will be showing you how to sew the end on to kind of close it up. So continue this all the way around, and I'll meet back with you in just a moment. So here, this is the edge it's making with this single crochet and 3 chains.